Well, good morning and welcome. This morning we are going to harvest some potatoes. Now, the flowering has gone, so I gave it a couple extra weeks and I pruned a few just to see if the skin will harden for a while. So since I'm not really trying to dig up all the potatoes, I'm just going to pick up a couple. I'm not going to cook them all just yet. But I actually can see where the potatoes are popping up. There's one right there. And then I'm going to gently use my hand to try to uncover a few. Ooh, that's a nice one. Look at that color. Who doesn't love a good potato? For some soup. And I can see that the roots are nice and strong. Look at that. Isn't that a beauty? We got some red potatoes here, and we have some white ones. And I can see another one bulging up right here. Wow, look at that. How nice is that? And this is the first year I use the compost soil. How nice. Looking forward to the onions in a few months. And I actually just put that in there today. That is the sunflower plant that I picked up out of the compost heap. We'll see what happens. Now, let's check on this potato here. Look at that root. Look how nice and strong that is. Isn't that a beauty? Look at that. And we want to save a couple just so they can grow some more. Look at that. Now guess what I am going to uncover? I'm going to cover that vine right back up. Just because. Pat it with love. Now let's see how many we get. Wow, we're just going to rinse that off and throw it right in a pot of some good chicken stock. Yum. We shall see how many we get. I think I'll just dig up maybe 4 or 5 today. Yum, yum. Can't wait till the carrots over there start to grow up. We can throw a few carrots in the pot as well. Got some corn. Yes, it's looking good, looking good. Well, have a good day. And happy harvesting.